Hey guys, I thought you'd like to see what I am finding when I took the cover off of my Power Simple inverter, 3000 watt, and when I turned it on and it sparked, I saw the flames or sparks or whatever was going on through this grill. I don't know where it came from. I made the assumption that it was this card. I don't see anything there, or I thought it might have been my solder job come apart, but everything here looks good with no signs of being hot. I wasn't plugged in here. I was plugged into the 30 amp plug I made. So inspecting, these were already hot right here before when I had it apart to put the plug on and the new switch. And if you remember, when I replaced this card, when I first turned it on, it was at 50 Hertz, so there was some sort of mix up there. So it looks to me like at some point before I bought this must be a reconditioned unit, just because of the colors of the screws. Somebody had put a pen mark here on an X here. Whether that means these three were replaced, I don't know. I'm not an electrician, I'm not a appliance repairman, I'm not an electronics guy. I just have a few basic skills. But I'm gonna put a battery on here, plug it back in, and see if I can see something with the lid off. Alright, I got a ballistic battery hooked up just enough to get it to turn on, protected with a 30 amp fuse. And I'm going to plug in my remote switch, and hopefully nothing smokes. Right now that battery's worth more than the doggone power inverter. Okay, try to turn it on. Alright, both of these lights came on. The amp meter did not come on, and I will plug in something not very valuable in and see what happens. Alright, I got my grinder plugged in. Turn it on. Of course, not showing any voltage. And no go. This one test I want to do is check voltage on the other side of these fuses. Make sure. Yeah. So out of my control, out of my realm. Wish me luck.